In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. We'll start right from a simple Google search and end with a form block placed in your Webflow project, setting you up to build a multi-step form without writing any code. Begin by heading to Google and searching for Webflow. This is the quickest way to reach the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. In the results, look for the official listing titled Webflow, Create a Custom Website, Visual Website Builder, and click it. That takes you straight to Webflow's platform. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land on your dashboard. From the dashboard, open the project you want to work on. You'll see an option to view your site. Click View Site to load the project context and make sure you're looking at the right build. With the correct project confirmed, jump into the designer so you can start adding elements. If you're new to the designer, it's the visual workspace where you drag, drop, and configure components on your page. Once you're in, open the Add Elements panel. You'll usually find it on the left side of the designer, and it's where every component lives, from basic divs to complex layouts. At the top of that panel is a search field. Click into it and type Form Block. Using the search is a great time saver because it filters the full list down to exactly what you need, and it ensures you're adding the complete form wrapper rather than a single input. When Form Block appears, click it to insert it onto your canvas. Webflow will drop a complete form structure, typically including a form wrapper, a form element, some default input fields, and a submit button. This gives you a ready-to-configure foundation that can be styled, duplicated, and organized for multi-step experiences without custom code. Place the block where it belongs in your layout, such as inside the main content area or a dedicated section, and check that it aligns with your grid or flex settings so it stays responsive across breakpoints. A couple of helpful tips as you proceed. Keep your layers panel tidy by renaming the form and its children so you can find them later. Use consistent spacing tokens to maintain rhythm, and preview often to make sure the form remains usable on tablet and mobile. Also, remember that accessibility matters. Label your inputs clearly, and ensure sufficient color contrast for text and buttons. And that's it. You used Google to reach Webflow, opened your project, accessed the Add Elements panel, searched for Form Block, and inserted it, laying the groundwork for multi-step forms without code.